i-share ko lang yung aking mga dating videos para naman mabigyan tayo ng konting YouTube tips. Na ganun ano, 'di ba? How do you increase your self-confidence? How do you have more confidence speaking to people so that even the body language is very important. So when you speak to people, hindi naman yung talagang naka-stare ka na ganun sa kanya, but at least you have the eye contact. So when you are having eye contact with the person you're speaking with, you connect with that person. Kailangan may connection kasi you engage your viewer, you engage your friend, you engage the person you're talking to if you have the eye contact. So hindi naman kailangan tumitig kang ganyan, baka naman matakot sa iyo yung kausap mo pag tinitigan mo ng gusto. So nagbi-blink ka rin, you look away, and then you again look at him. So ganon yung mga body language natin na kailangan matuto. We as women, we want to always be presentable and ayos. So yung channel ni Papa Johnny Gatawa would help us look beautiful, feel beautiful, and of course, it will add up to our confidence. TV host, okay lang sa akin, walang jacket, hehehe. Okay lang, no problem. So yun nga, yung even the simple, itong ating mga hands, we can also use it to emphasize a point. So when we're speaking, mas maganda rin we move our hands to emphasize what we would like to say. Pero wag naman yung galaw ng galaw, wag naman yung galaw ng galaw na ganon. So we also move our hand to emphasize the things that we need. So very important when we speak, may mga body language then. So, may mga, during my college days, meron kaming short courses that I attended to on becoming a public speaker. So, very important talaga na meron tayong mga ginagamit na body language or gesture. So, yung ating mga kamay, magaganda rin, naka-point, mga nakaganyan, to emphasize what we want to say. And then yung tone of our voice, di ba? Ako minsan, I'm very fast. So, dapat meron ding pacing. Am I speaking too fast? Am I speaking too slow? So, dapat nandun ka lang sa middle. So that you will be able to, or dynamics. Kaya may tinatawag ding dynamics. There are times na you need to speak fast kasi very excited ka. Alam nga naman, excited ka. Uy, pupunta kami sa beach bukas. Di ba, syempre, pag excited, uy, pupunta kami sa beach bukas. Yung ganon. So, there's dynamics in the tone of your voice, the rhythm, or the speed of the way you speak. So, minsan mabagal, depending on the mood. Minsan mabilis. Syempre, pag excited ka, medyo mabilis, di ba? So most of the time when you are speaking naman, explaining the concepts, teaching, most of the time kailangan lang siya, average speed, not that fast, not that slow. Or you can repeat the same point again. So kaya kailangan nire-repeat din natin, inuulit-ulit natin. So humaba na ng humaba yung ating topic, pero recap or in a nutshell, ayun po, sa mga katulad ko na hindi pa naman pare-pareho pa naman tayo, na hindi pa naman natin natanggap na-receive or naabot yung 100,000 subscriber, which should be our goal, or kung mas mataas pa, mas maganda pa nga, more than 100,000 subscribers, and at least pag nag-upload ka, di ba, yung ka-upload mo pa lang, may mga 1,000 na views, syempre, yun ang ating goal. So, dapat we have to look at it as a journey. Hindi pwedeng, ayoko na, magkukwit na ako sa YouTube kasi hindi naman pala kumikita eh. Bakit? Ilang ka na ba? Gaano katagal ka na ba sa YouTube? 6 months. Uy, grabe ka naman. 6 months pa lang, give up ka na. Don't you know, the people who have already 100k subscribers and lots of viewers, when you look at their channel, makikita mo 5 years na sila, 4 years. So talagang merong time element. Hindi yung 6 months ka pa lang, nawawalan ka na ng pag-asa, mag-quit ka na kasi hindi mo maabot. eh talagang wala po tayong maaabot pagka ganon. So, ano po natin siya, tingnan natin siya, let's have a perspective. Wow, nandiyan si Sol Erwin, TV. Thank you for coming, Sir Erwin. But waking up in the morning is a super blessing. Yes, mamaya. Good morning, Sol Erwin Diaz TV. Kuya, ayan. One of my, my mentor din yan. Mentor ko rin yan kasi I learned a lot from, from his live streaming. Ang dami niyang guest sa kanyang live stream. Ayan. Katulad namin, hindi naman talaga kami techie. But we really need to work on it. Kailangan matuto kami. Wala kang choice or else mapag-iiwanan ka. So it's very nice. Maganda yung may ganun ka eh. Maganda yung merong nagpupush sa'yo. If I am not a vlogger, why do I care? So even wala akong kalam-alam sa video editing, I will not care. Kasi hindi ka vlogger. But because you are a vlogger, it's part of the package deal. Kailangan aralin mo lahat. If you want to really, reach your goal, di ba? So, ganun po tayo. Kaya ako, tinitingnan ko yun as a blessing. Kasi merong nagpupush sa'yo, aside from your own motivation, na you really have a passion, talagang you really enjoy being with the camera, you really enjoy meeting friends around the world and become global channel, syempre naman, kailangan in the process, nag-upgrade ka. So kung ito lang yung alam ko dati sa pag-e-edit, ngayon meron na pala akong transition. Ngayon meron na pala akong mga animation sa aking mga video. So natutuwa po ako talaga. So it's very a full package of self-development, computer upgrading, di ba? Learning about meeting friends, what do you call this? Interpersonal relationship, di ba? So ang dami-dami nating natututunan na incidental learning through becoming a vlogger. So tingnan natin siya professionally. Huwag nating sabihin, anong ginagawa mo? Vlogger, kasi parang nahihiya ka pang aminin na vlogger ka. Syempre dapat pag sinabi mo, ano po ginagawa mo? Well, I have a channel and my channel is about sharing my messages to the world to become a better person, to have a positive perspective in life and everything under the sun. So ano mas maganda pakinggan, yung ganon or yung parang meron kasi akong vlogger, yung parang lang ako vlogger, tapos meron akong channel na ganito. So parang hindi professional ang dating, di ba? So pag tinatanong ka, you have to make it sound professional because kung alam lang nila yung hirap natin, it's not that really easy. Very complicated po yung ginagawa natin. And we are really shedding lots of time. We are really doing lots of spending time, a lot of time with reading the guidelines, reading the requirements of YT, reading the community guidelines, yung mga bawal and everything. So talagang very professional po. Natin to. Let us look at this, what we are doing as a professional job. Huwag natin siyang maliitin na pag sinabi, wala, pa-vlog lang naman, ganun. Kasi the people will take it very lightly also. So, medyo may konting advertisement when you present your channel to other people. So, what do you do? What can we see in your channel? Well, in my channel, you can find things that will build your confidence because I will teach you how to put on correct makeup. I will teach you how to do your hair o yung mga ganon. Parang professional talaga ang dating mo as a vlogger. So, ganun po ang